Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy, guys. Thanks for following the channel. The question is this the bottom for Bitcoin? We have seen the longest losing streak since 2018. Bitcoin falls towards 40K, racks up longest losing streak since 2018. Cryptocurrency analysts had warned of the possibility of a steeper sell-off, and now traders are wondering when and where the market shakeout might end. So as you guys have seen, we've had a tremendous sell-off in BTC as we go towards the bottom. And as this chart shows, Bitcoin slips toward 40K for the first time since September. This article is coming from Bradley Kiam, January 28, 2002 at 4:45 p.m. Eastern Time on Coinbase.com. So let's go over what's going on with Bitcoin. We slipped toward 40K for the first time since September. We had the all-time high in November of 69K. Bitcoin fell for a 7th straight day, the longest losing streak since 2018, slipping toward the key psychological threshold of 40,000. As of press time, Bitcoin was changing hands around 40,800, down 2.3% over the last 24 hours based on CoinDesk pricing. Bitcoin's stretch of losses is now the longest since the downdraft from July 30th through August 4th in 2018. The price hasn't fallen below 40,000 since September 2021 and is well off the all-time high near 69,000 reached in November. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin celebrated its 13-year birthday last week, but there hasn't been much of a party. Crypto market analysts have warned recently that Bitcoin might be prone to a steeper sell-off, though there were some signs late last week that the market might be stabilizing. January tends to be a seasonally weak month for Bitcoin, but this year has been especially harsh with the large cryptocurrency down 11% so far in 2022. The market was rolled by the release of the Federal Reserve minutes, signaling that officials at the U.S. Central Bank were starting to discuss whether to take more aggressive steps to tackle an inflation rate now at its highest in almost 4 decades. Many investors say Bitcoin has benefited in recent years from the Fed's ultra-loose emergency monetary policy since the coronavirus hit the economy, including printing more than $4 trillion to bolster ailing traditional markets. So a reversal of those policies is seen as a fresh headwind for Bitcoin. There's also a narrative in the market that Bitcoin trades like a risky asset similar to tech stocks, and the Fed's hawkish turn could curb appetite for high-risk, high-reward investments. Macroeconomic uncertainty has led to relatively low conviction from market players. Analysts at Coinbase Institutional, an arm of the U.S. biggest cryptocurrency exchange, wrote Friday in a weekly update. The question now is when and where the Bitcoin price will find a floor. As of Friday, the price was down 35% from the all-time high. Previous drawdowns have reached levels of nearly 80%, and it took the markets months to recover. Some bulls are still betting that the market is on the cusp of a fresh bull run, but analysts for the investment research firm Fundstrat say that the market looks to have little near-term price support until it drops down to 39,570, roughly where the price bottom of September 2021. So guys, have we found a bottom? I'm going to like I said, I am going to say I don't know if we found the bottom. I will give you some things that I have seen on the charts that lead me to believe that we have found the bottom. But I don't want to, there's been a lot of different there's a lot of different theories out there right now where we're at in Bitcoin. So I don't want to lead you guys astray, but I just want to give you guys some idea of what people are saying, what's going on in the market, right? Are we going to get hit 50K first or 30K? There's a lot of fear in the market right now. People are wondering where we're going to go first. So if Bitcoin closes the week below 40K, there's a decent possibility of a visit to the 30K support in the short term. A crucial reversal of the 40K level could dictate BTC's move ahead, right? So that's going to be interesting to see what Bitcoin does in the next few days. Will we get that move ahead? There's been a death cross as well. Bitcoin formed a trading pattern on January 8th that is widely watched by traditional charters for its ability to anticipate further losses. In detail, the cryptocurrency's 50-day exponential moving average fell below its 200-day exponential moving average, forming a so-called death cross. The pattern appeared as Bitcoin underwent a rough ride in the previous 2 months, falling over 40% from its record high of 69,000. Previous death crosses were insignificant to Bitcoin over the past 2 years. For instance, a 50 to 200-day EMA bearish crossover in March 2020 appeared that the BTC had fallen nearly 9,000 to below 4,000, turning out to be a lagging than predictive indicator. Additionally, its occurrence did little in preventing Bitcoin from rising to around 29,000 by the end of 2020, as shown in the chart below. So there was a death cross back in March of 2020 due to the coronavirus, and then the price rallied after that death cross, right? Here's the death cross this time. As you can see, and if you look at this chart, look at the RSI, it's super low. It hasn't been this low since May of 20. I don't know if that's 2020. Yeah, May of 2021. It hasn't been that low. So RSI is definitely down, but so yeah, be interesting to see what happens. People are saying that this time the death cross looks dangerous because the Fed's decision is dialing back of its $120 billion a month asset purchasing program, followed by 3 rate hikes in 2022. Typically, rising interest rates make holding volatile assets like Bitcoin less appealing than government bonds, which offers guaranteed yields. This is proof that Bitcoin acts like a risk asset, adding that the short-term holders will be closest to the exit. As a result, the overall reduction in cash liquidity coupled with the death cross formation could trigger further sell-offs in the Bitcoin market. However, that is unless the Bitcoin price rebounds from its current support level around 40,000, the 0.382 fib line shown in the charts. Nevertheless, a break below 40,000 may risk sending Bitcoin price to the next fifth support line near 35,000. And those are your fifth support lines there for Bitcoin that goes all the way down to 26,000. But yeah, you got some fifth support lines. We are hitting that 0.382 level right now with Bitcoin. So it's going to be interesting to see how much further we go. Do we go down to the 0.236 level for Bitcoin with the Fibonacci trading? That's going to be interesting to see, but we may hold here at 0.382. And I think we will hold at 382. That would be my prediction, because I'll give you an idea of what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing here on the 21-day moving average, Bitcoin is below that on the daily chart. It's also below the 200-day moving average on the daily chart. The RSI already hit an oversold level on January 7th of 28. As you can see here again on the chart here, you see that the RSI, the 200 MA, we're below the 200 MA, but it's below the 50-day MA. The RSI is 32 on this chart. This is a daily Bitcoin chart on stock charts. So once again, and you see that the MACD is also really low down here. So I believe that we are at the bottom. And now I gave more analysis in my group. If you want to sign up for Crypto Millionaire Academy, go to cryptomillionaire.co. That should take us to our page, and you can sign up for Crypto Millionaire Academy, and there you would get access to our Discord group. So yeah, but that's where I'm at. I want you guys to sign up, put your email and card number in, sign up for Crypto Millionaire Academy to get into our Discord group. We're also on Twitter, the Fastlane VIP trading group, and this is some of our content. I've just dropped the content, the best 5 crypto trades of 2021. 5,000% profit, $1 VIP sale, New Year's weekend only. We already had that sale since New Year's weekend is over, but definitely if you want to get in, that would be posted in our Crypto Millionaire Academy sale. Alright guys, thank you so much for following the channel. Appreciate your support. Have a good day. I think Bitcoin has bottomed. It may be time to nibble in on some of these good trades. I'm going to post some coins that I'm thinking about getting in my next video. Alright guys, thank you for following the channel. Appreciate your support. Thank you.